How's it going, you guys? Welcome back to Unorthodox Savings. So today I'm talking to you guys about another stock that Wallstreetbets has been choosing to invest into, and I am calling it out now, making a video on it before it actually skyrockets and before anybody's aware of this. Because just a heads up, by the time you see a Wallstreetbets stock on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, anything like that, where it's like widely talked about in comment sections, it's probably too late to invest into that stock. So I'm just calling it early, and this is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just making you aware of what this company is and what my investments are. So to catch you guys up real quick, Wallstreetbets has invested into GameStop, Kia, Naked Brand, BlackBerry, all these other companies, skyrocketing them to basically take down billionaire hedge funds and making it stuck in their short positions. I'll leave a link to my previous video, what's happening, if you need to get caught up exactly and understand what's happening. But right now, the company that I'm looking to invest in has a ticker symbol of SLV, which stands for iShares Silver Trust. Now, usually precious metals like silver, platinum, and gold are a boring topic, and not a lot of people talk about them in the first place. But this has a special place in my investment portfolio because this stock specifically is used by big banks such as JP Morgan, which is the bank I'll be talking about in this video. So they plan on shorting it. And all silver is a hedge against inflation, similar to gold, but silver is cheaper to buy, it's easier to sell, and the price is more volatile, which means the price can move up and down way faster. So Wallstreetbets, before their website and their Discord got shut down, made a plan to invest their money into this and skyrocket it from $24 to $25 all the way up to $1,000. And in my personal opinion, I don't think these price predictions that they're making are correct. There's a lot of new investors who just kind of say a number to get everybody excited, but I do personally think it's going to go up, and silver is a good investment overall. Now, I do want to say, before I tell you about Wallstreetbets' investment strategy, is that Robinhood restricts you to only buying one share of this. I use Webull personally. Now, when I talk about my videos, I use Robinhood because this is very easy for a new investor to understand what I'm talking about. But Webull is a much better platform, in my opinion. And there are plenty of others. If you do your research on there, there's TD Ameritrade. But a lot of other brokerages have limited you and restricted you to buying a certain stock or a certain amount of shares of stocks and options trading. So this is a big deal. Many celebrities have come out about this, one of them being Elon Musk, politicians from both spectrums, the left and right, which is AOC and Ted Cruz, and it's becoming a whole fiasco of lawsuits. But now we're going to get into Wallstreetbets' investment strategy for this. Just an FYI, everything I'm reading is from the Business Insider, so I'll leave the link down below in case you guys want to read it yourselves. So Wallstreetbets made a post on Reddit saying that the silver bullion market is one of the most manipulated on earth. Any short squeeze in the silver paper shorts would be epic. A user on Reddit's Wall Street posted, "We know billion-dollar banks are manipulating gold and silver to cover real inflation. Both the industrial case and monetary case, debt printing has never been more favorable than the #1 inflation hedge, silver." Another post on the site said inflation-adjusted silver should be at $1,000 instead of $25, which is what I talked about earlier about the price predictions being insane. So the guy said, why not squeeze SLV to real physical price? Think about the gains. If you don't care about the gains, think about destroying banks like JP Morgan. You'd be destroying along the way. The iShares Silver Trust gained as much as 7.2% on Thursday morning, which has now gone down as of Friday. And after this post, a significant move for an ETF that normally has low volatility. So full transparency, I have YOLO calls for SLV already as the time this video is posted. But I do want to say that I don't have a good argument to why I want JP Morgan and other banks like that to go down. I just like helping the people out. I like making money. So here I am just telling you guys my personal investing journey. Now, I really do believe that traditional investing, meaning value stocks and dividend stocks for the long term, which is you buy a company, you buy some shares, you hold on to it and you let it grow over time, is the best way to be invested. It's way more passive, it's way stress-free, and it just makes more sense overall. The companies and meme stocks that Wallstreetbets are investing into really don't have good fundamentals or business values that make sense. Like you want to buy this company and actually hold. Although it is really, really funny, it's there is no actual sense to why you want to buy these companies. Now, the iShares Silver Trust is actually a good ETF to get into. I mean, overall, yeah, it's good. You just keep it in there. It pays a very low dividend, and you store your money in there. Now, that's not something I would do personally. I'm only doing this because of the hype. So that's all I have for this video. So if you guys want to know exactly what I'm doing when I invest, when I buy, when I sell, I have a free Discord below. Just a heads up, it's kind of the Wild West. I don't have any rules in there. So you can say, do whatever you want. I have a sub promotion tab. So if you're a smaller YouTuber, you can promote your videos in there, explain your channel, explain what the video is about, and help out other people in the Discord. I also have free links down below to get started investing, newsletters, and other things like that. So thank you guys very much for watching, liking, subscribing. I appreciate it. I just hit 700 subscribers, so I'm extremely grateful for all of you, and I'll see you next time.